Happy New Year! It is January and we are so excited for our month of organization.
I could not be more excited, you guys. I feel like this is like a passion of mine.
So this month we want to invite you to join us along in learning how to implement organizational skills and tips to improve our lives.
By improving our different organizational skills, you can get your mind cleared, get your mind ready to take on anything that life has to throw at you.
We are going to focus on processing your emails, which can change your life. Very important that we don't put things off, get everything dealt with and put in its appropriate place. It frees your mind up to flourish. There's two things that we need to do to effectively organize your email. You collect, process, or defer. Make sure that you're collecting everything efficiently. So if you have multiple emails, you want to make sure that you have all your inboxes going to one place so you can easily see all of your different inboxes. Process. Now, when you process your emails, there's 3 steps to deal with. So if it's generally under 2 minutes, I just try to get it done. The second option to process emails is to delegate and then put the task on a waiting list. So then you know that you're waiting on something to come back from the person to which you delegated the task to. The third option is to defer it. I choose to have different files in my email, and one of those is a to-do list. So then I can save the email to that. So hopefully this could be something that you guys can implement for the new year for 2018. Prepare your lunch or breakfast the night before. Super simple, meal prep simplifies your life. Pick your outfit out the night before. That way when you wake up, you can get ready and just not have to worry about what you're gonna wear. Implementing these simple tips will help your day run smoother and make your life way easier.
Try and get my life a little bit together. Get an early start on the day, have a little bit more time for yourself in the morning. Bedtime. Get to bed as soon as possible when you get home and you're tired. Get a full 7 to 8 hours of sleep a night. It's super good for you, healthy for your body, so you're rejuvenated. Stay focused on your important tasks too. Don't get sidetracked, take a little break in between tasks too. Grab a snack, check your phone, go on a walk just to clear your head out.
Making lists is really important for helping you get your life together and really feeling like you have everything under control. Don't stress yourself out. Sometimes it's really easy to feel like you have 1,000 things to do, but once you write them all down and really prioritize it, it's easy to see that you might not have as much to do as you think. When you're making lists, definitely think what is the most important, what needs to be done today. Put that at the top of your list. Make sure that you understand that everything you have to do doesn't have to be done in one day. Not only prioritize the things in order on your list, but prioritize them for when they need to get done, and if it's not in that day, then that's okay. Don't let it stress you out. Don't lose focus on what you're doing, because when you stray away and let your mind get overtaken by all the things you feel like you have to do, you're gonna not accomplish the task you need to do effectively.
So we hope you guys take each week and each focus and really try to put some of these habits into action, and hopefully it will change your world.
Tune into our weekly videos to learn about our weekly focus and tips on organization.